And finally, Professor Jodi Finkel, who holds a PhD from UCLA, specializes in political institutions, democracy, and human rights in Latin America, with current research focusing on indigenous peoples' right prior consultation as defined by Latin American high courts. She is also the founder and president of Mujer Guatemala, an empowerment organization supporting sex workers' rights in Guatemala City. Please give it up for Professor Finkel.
How do I begin this? Good evening, everyone. And I push this?
Yes.
20 years ago, I heard a radio program about Susie Sica, a woman in Guatemala, a country that I'd never been to. She was described as 41, she had 7 kids, she was a prostitute, and she wanted to learn to read. I was at a crossroads. I could move on, or I could do something to help her. And that doing something really required imagining the impossible. I asked 2 LMU students to move to Guatemala, find Susie, and teach her to read, and our literacy program became an empowerment organization. We now serve thousands of women and their children in 11 different zones of prostitution. We offer literacy, vocational training, self-esteem and mental health, kids nutrition, legal aid, anti-violence programs, and grassroots organizing for women's rights. When you find yourself at a crossroads, my advice to you is that if you can envision something, you can make it happen. Thank you.